Let's look at the next question. Predict whether a student will get into which institute based on their performance in BTech and GATE mock test. So I think this question is a bit ambiguous. So let me try to rewrite it a little bit here. Predict whether a predict. Okay, so we need to predict an institute, and I am assuming the institutes are taking students based on their GATE scores. Based on GATE scores or GATE ranks. But GATE 2024 has not happened yet. So we have to predict it from BTech and GATE mock test. Again, by now it must be clear that it is a mapping problem implying supervised. So that's granted. If you look again more closely, input same as previous question, same as previous question, which is BTech performance plus GATE mock test. But this time we have to directly predict the institute. So the label has changed. So previously it was natural numbers, right? That has now changed to institute names. Accepting GATE rank. So let's say there are around 50 institutes. It can be more, it can be less, but let's assume there are 50 such institutes. So we again are back in a dilemma this time. The labels are discrete for sure. But is 50 really small, or is it a big number to decide whether it is classification or regression? So even before we get into that discussion, I have another argument to make here. So an important point to consider here is that since the set of labels is not exactly a total order, I don't see a lot of benefit in using regression. Instead, I will go with classification in this case. In this case, a truly multi-class classification setup is ideal. So I will go for a supervised classification task. And what kind of classification? It is called as multi-class, because we have more than 3 classes here for sure.